You got questions about real estate? Duane's got the answer. So ask the Real Estate Jedi Master, Duane Beisner.
Top of the morning to you. My name's Duane, aka the last Real Estate Jedi Master, and I'm your host for today's episode. This is your one-stop shop for all things real estate, and I hope that you've been enjoying these videos as much as I've been enjoying making them. This is episode 4, which, by the way, you got to start somewhere, right? My motivational quote for the day is a classic. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And that's by Jim Rohn. I had the pleasure of hearing him speak before he went to his reward. He's an incredible man with incredible lessons on life. Pull up some of his stuff on YouTube. I think you'll agree. And think about the 5 people whom you spend the most time with. Are you in need of an upgrade? The topic today is how to optimize the process of obtaining a loan and saving money. There are 2 basic types of loans for residential real estate. First, there's a purchase loan, which is for when you're buying a property and you need financing in order to do so. But there's also what's called a refinance loan, whether you're trying to get a lower rate and therefore a lower payment, or perhaps you want to just pull some extra money out of your equity for some reason. First, you need to find a reputable loan representative. You can ask people you know for referrals, or you can ask a real estate agent to recommend one to you. And you can also ask the last Real Estate Jedi Master. I'd be happy to refer somebody to you. Then set up an appointment to discuss the process, current rates with the lender, and what to expect. They'll actually ask you for 2 things. They will give you 2 things. First, they'll send you an email with a link to fill out the loan application. And second, they're going to give you a list of documents that they will need before you can be approved for a loan. They will ask you for permission to run a factual credit report, which simply means a full credit report. Please do not run your own before giving the lender permission to run it, as running it several times could affect your actual credit score. And don't put off gathering the required documents. I know it's a hassle. No one likes to gather up that information, but putting it off will delay the loan approval process, which could result in a higher rate or possibly losing that house that you bought if it is a purchase money loan. Ask the loan representative what the expected timeline is. Please note that there are many moving parts in a loan, so don't expect that what they tell you will happen like clockwork. Many times it doesn't. The lender will order the appraisal through the warehouse, and you'll be expected to pay for it before the appraiser starts work on that property. Ask the lender when is the earliest that you can lock in your rate and what he or she expects rates to do in the short term. In other words, are they going to go up or are they expected to go down? Perhaps it might be better to let your rate float for a little while prior to locking it in. And if you're getting a purchase money loan, ask the lender for a copy of the pre-approval letter so you can give that to your real estate agent to accompany your offer. Better yet, ask the lender for a DU, which stands for direct underwriting approval. It's better and stronger than a pre-approval letter. When you finally do get the final loan approval, then you'll make an appointment to go to the escrow office to sign and notarize the loan docs. If the office is not fairly close by, then they'll simply arrange for a signing service to meet you where you live or where you work in order for you to sign. Then, a few days later, you'll either close on the new home or you'll get your check from the refinance. Either way, it's time to celebrate. Champagne, anyone? So that's it in a nutshell. Your action step is to get the name and contact information of at least one lender and call them to tell them what your goal is. If you need a great suggestion, call or email me. I'm happy to help. I can help you in all phases of your real estate needs. There's nothing that I haven't seen in my 33 years of experience. Remember Duane Beisner, 949-510-4750 or info@rejedi.com. And please remember to click on the like button as well as the subscribe button. Until next time, live long and prosper.